How to fix Instagram login error on iPhone. So if you're having the issues while logging into your Instagram account from your iPhone, the first thing we can try to check, very basic thing, internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data, and vice versa also. You can try to see if that helps you solve the problem. The second thing is that you mustn't try from the same page. If you're trying to log in, it's not letting you log in. Don't try from the same page again and again. Just throw out all the applications, including Instagram itself, and go ahead and then relaunch Instagram and try to relog into your account. Now, if you're still not being able to log into your account, sometimes the chances are that it could be a credentials issue. So either your username or maybe your password is incorrect. So you want to make sure that both of those are correct. Now, in case you've happened to forget your password, you can tap the option that says forgot password right over there. And when you select forgot password, you can follow the on-screen instructions to reset it. Now, one more solution that I can give you is sometimes, very sometimes during login, you're not being able to log in. It could be the issue with the app itself. So to fix this, just open up settings and then go to general, go to iPhone storage, and from iPhone storage, you want to scroll and just look for the option that says Instagram and tap the offload app button, offload it and reinstall the app, and hopefully that will help you solve it. So hope this video helped you out, and if you have any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.